has challenged us to a game of American football. So today, we're the Gecko's Garage Go-Getters!
Prepare to face Catalina Felina el Fuego!
Come on, Mechanicals, let's try our best. But most of all, have fun!
Let's play. Vamos, quarterback Eric! Use your super strong piston arm!
We need to stop that ball! Oh.
Touchdown! 6 points!
Don't worry. Now it's our turn to try and score a touchdown. 10, 6, 12. Hat! Ha! Throw it as hard as you can, Yellow! Oh.
Interception! I'll take that. Touchdown! Another 6 points.
Ooh, nearly. Okay, Mechanicals, we can score a touchdown. I know it. We just need to find a way to throw the ball past the other team. But how? Aha! The pistons in Eric's arm help him throw really far. Now I know how we can get a touchdown. What tool do I need? Wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. We'll bolt in this hydraulic piston like the one on Eric's arm. Now Yellow has the power to throw really far. Ready, Mix? Time for a touchdown! Blue! I'll catch you! Blue, you did it! We scored a touchdown! And what a pass, Yellow!
And you saved Blue, Gecko. That was the best catch I've ever seen.
Thanks, Kat. No matter if we lost or won, what matters is we all had fun. Goodbye, everyone. Blue, go long! Hello, everyone. It's Baby Truck's birthday, so we're having a party! And I've invited Baby Truck's heroes, Fiona Fire Truck and Dandy.
Zoinks! That's Fiona's emergency alarm! Sorry, Baby Truck. We have to go. Someone needs our help.
Poor Baby Truck. She wants to help Fiona and Dandy and be a hero just like them.
Don't worry, Baby Truck. They'll be back. It's your birthday, so... Vamos de fiesta!
Spinning screwdrivers! Your balloon is stuck in that tree!
Leave this to the cat.
Be careful, Kat! It's a long way up!
Ay de mí! And a long way down!
Don't worry, Kat! We'll get you down! Oh, but how? Oh, if only Dandy and Fiona were still here. Oh, I have a plan! But we'll need your help, Baby Truck. If I attach a ladder to your roof, you could reach Kat like a fire truck. What tools do we need? Drill. Wrench. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we need to drill some holes through the ladder for the bolts. Then, we secure the extendable ladder in place by tightening the bolts with my wrench. There, ready to rescue!
Hurry, porfa!
Baby Truck, reverse up to the tree and we'll extend your ladder. You can do this, baby fire truck. Steady now. Brave baby saved Kat from the tree, just like a real fire truck.
Muchas gracias. You're my hero.
And our hero too. This calls for a special birthday present. For such a daring rescue, I'm awarding you a Hero's Medal for birthday bravery.
We needed a hero when Kat got stuck, and it was our friend Baby Fire Truck. Goodbye, everyone. Let's dump. Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, mechanicals. Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, blue and red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Oh. Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a lovely sunny day, so Red's heading up to the roof. He's going to finish fitting our new solar panels. They'll soak up the sun's energy and turn it into clean power for the whole garage. Hello, Bobby. Whoa! Look at you. You're all dirty, and we only cleaned you yesterday. Never mind. Splish, splash, splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. All clean and ready to hit the road, Bobby. Oh, you're dirty again. How did that happen? I think we're going to have to wash you by hand. Squeaky clean. You can get back to your bus route, Bobby. That's what's making you dirty. Your messy old petrol engine. How would you like a clean electric engine instead? Are the solar panels ready? The panels take energy from the sun giving Bobby clean power for him to run. Hooray! We'll see you back soon for more fun at Gecko's garage.